So we start off today's video with this amazing blonde high fashion bob. This is absolutely gorgeous. It does feature very blunt ends and ends just around the jawline. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Wow, what an amazing hair change. So she went from long to short with this all gray silver pixie haircut. She looks absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we move on to transformation number 3. She has very long hair. Stylist grabs the scissors and begins to chop away. Looks like he's doing a bob haircut for this one. Keeping the front of the hair longer than the back. Wow, she looks amazing. Beautifully done. So here we have someone with very long curly hair. Her hair is so thick and beautiful. I love the color, the texture. So the stylist puts the hair in ponytails and begins to cut. Wow, so much emotion already. So it looks like she might be doing a curly bob for this one. Mixing in a shaven side. Wow. Absolutely stunning. And now that her hair is shorter, she can really play around with the defining of her curls. And there is that chic little shaven area. So beautiful. So next up we have someone else who is chopping off their hair. Looks like another bob. mixing in some bangs. Oh, love this. So she got a shoulder length bob style. This is absolutely gorgeous. Perfectly frames her face as well, and her hair is so thick and full. So next up, it looks like we have another bob hair change. Stylist does a blowout. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.